Hi guys, Constantine, your workbook video guide here. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Workbook's binding feature when setting up your Gantt chart. Bindings will help you shift tasks when there are multiple dependencies at play. I will be using a pre-existing Gantt chart, but the fundamentals will be the same. There are two ways you can apply the bindings. The first is from your standard Gantt chart view. To get here, you need to first find the job you want to schedule. To apply a binding, click on a task in the Gantt chart. You will see two circles appear. The circle you drag will be the task that has dependencies. In the example the way it is, we have scheduled the art direction to start at the same time as the copywriting. If something changes and the art director can now only start when the copywriting is finished, the art direction therefore is dependent on the copywriting. To do this using bindings, drag the end date of the copywriter to the start date of the art director task. You will see art direction shift. Now we get a call saying that the copywriting and the art direction will need to finish at the same time. Sure, you could just drag the art director back, but when there is more than one dependency at play, this is when it gets complicated. Right-click on the binding arrow. In this dialog box, you can also set the lag or delay between one task starting to another. Now, select the option you need. In this case, we will choose Finish to Finish so that the two tasks will finish concurrently. The second way to apply bindings is from the grid view. You can find that from the filter icon on the top right of the toolbar. In our example, the proofing of the graphics will happen as soon as the graphics are finished. The proofing, therefore, is dependent on the graphics. Scroll to the Dependencies column. If you need to, reorder your Task ID column so you can see which task it's referring to. Double-click on the cell of the task you want to edit. To add the dependency, click either on the Task column in the grid or the calendar icon with a plus symbol. Here you can select the task it is relevant to. Now choose the binding, S meaning start and F meaning finish. In our example, FS will be the option we need selected. Now, if we go back to our Gantt view, you can see the changes here.